Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aziz and today I went ahead and did this disco grungy look for you guys. This look is actually inspired by Nikki Tutorials. She went ahead and did a look like this using the JEFFREE Star's cremated palette. So I'm just gonna go ahead and recreate that look. If you like what you see, just keep on watching.
While we're ahead, don't think like that. I will love you endlessly if you don't believe.
So to start off, I'm going in with Plouise eye base and I'm using two different shades. I'm using Rumore 0 and Rumore 5 and I'm just using a flat brush to pat that all over the eyelids and get it prepped for our eyeshadow.
Just touch me, baby. I don't wanna.
Also, if you are new to my channel and you love all things makeup, please go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss out on new content every week.
Before I run out of air, there's more makeup to apply. Stare into volume color sky. I got a sweet tooth and strawberry hair.
So now I'm just going in with a fluffy brush and I'm just buffing out the edges and making sure that the base is smooth and ready for the eyeshadow. So the first shade I'm going in with is this taupey gray color and I'm going to be applying this all over the crease area. If you want the specific shades that I'm using, I will leave them in the description box, but you can actually go ahead and use any type of gray eyeshadow that you have for this step.
Hands on the ground.
As long as I'm your girl.
Pick up and turn around.
As long as I'm your girl.
Get down.
So now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow and I'm using only the smallest amounts because I kind of wanted to create a mid-tone gray color. So I'm using that black and I'm just diffusing it in the crease to kind of create that seamless transition between the first shade that we use and then when we actually go in to intensify the black. As you can see, I'm going back in with that black and I'm just gradually building that color. You kind of want it to be more of a step-by-step blend. You don't want to go in with a bunch of black and then end up making a mistake and ruining the whole look.
Hot pink killer. Fierce killer. I'm a beauty killer. There's more makeup to apply. Stare into volume color sky. I got a sweet tooth and strawberry hair. Be my licorice in the sky to try. And right now, I'll show you
So I'm going in with that brush that we used for the first color and I'm just buffing out the edges. We don't want any harsh lines, but we want it to be a very seamless transition.
When through my eyes, close me, please fix my hair. This concealer can't hide all my pink night.
Now I'm taking a silver eyeshadow with a flat brush and I'm just packing this on all over the lid area.
Hands on the ground.
As long as I'm your girl.
Pick up and turn around.
As long as I'm your girl.
Get down. I'll show you how. I'm a beauty killer. Volume color skies. Volume color skies.
So now I'm just going back in with a little bit more of that black and I'm going to intensify the color a little bit, but I'm also going to buff out that silver. So now I'm going in with that same black eyeshadow and I'm using a detailed pencil brush and I'm just going to smudge that color right along the lash line. What we're doing here is kind of creating a smoky liner effect. Moving on to the bottom portion of the eye, I'm just going in with the black eyeliner and I'm applying this right into the waterline, and then I'm going to be using that same detailed pencil brush alongside with that gray taupey color that we used in the beginning to smudge that black out.
Before I run out of air, there's more makeup to apply. Stare into volume color sky. I got a sweet tooth and strawberry hair. Be my licorice, this kind of true. And right now, I'll show you how. I'm a beauty killer.
Also, while blending that lower lash line, I'm just going to bring a little bit of that shade in into the outer V's, kind of tie the eyelid together. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. Now I'm getting ready to apply my lashes. If you guys want to know the exact period that I'm using, I will leave a link of their Instagram page in the description down below. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going in and finishing off with the rest of my face. I'm using Benefit Hoola bronzer to contour and warm up the skin. I'm also using that same bronzer to go ahead and contour my nose. Moving on to the lips, I'm going in with MAC Cosmetics Stone Lipstick, and I'm just applying this all over. I really love the way the muted lip kind of tied in with the eyes.
I can be cool if you just wanna be mad. I can be anything, I'll be your everything. Just touch me, baby.
Next, the gloss that I'm going in with is called Wizard's Glass, and it's from JEFFREE STAR's Bloodlust collection.
It's like a funeral and everyone's at my wake. Before I run out of air, there's more makeup to apply. Stare into volume color sky.
Here I'm just applying some mascara to my lashes in order to blend them in with the false light.
My licorice, this kind of true. And right now, I'll show you how. I'm a beauty killer.
So I went ahead and applied some crystals off camera, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.